Now let's create a new program. We will turn the selector switch to auto, as seen here. We will then go to the program button here, go back to program selection, go to the center column, down arrow to the next available line, highlight that, and now we can name this program. Okay, and then we can hit enter. We will confirm that program, go back, hit program again, then our test program is right up here. And we can start to program the individual lines. Starting with line number 1, put in our desired bend angle, say 90 degrees. We're still in the initial profiling stages, so we don't know if we need to make any type of angle compensation yet. So when we make those bends later, and if our bend angle is off, we can go back and add a compensation here, positive or negative. If you want to do positive, you just put in whatever that would be. If you want to go back and make it negative, you can put in a negative number down here and make that a -4, and so on and so forth, depending on what angle it is you actually got it. We'll set our back gauge position. Our bend quantity is 1. The count we don't have to worry about because the machine will count it. Our opening height is going to be how far do we want the bending clamp ram to return after it makes the bend. So this is done in seconds. This is not inches. This is a timing of a second or a portion of a second. So you can adjust this with a little bit of trial and error to see what's the best height for you. The hem height we're not going to worry about at this moment, and the up or down we're going to put in either up or down or U or D, whatever works best for you. Then we can go to line number 2, and we can make a new angle there, put in a new back gauge distance, bend quantity, opening height, enter, and then we can put in either our up or down. You can do this for every line up to 15 different lines. Throughout the course of the program, and when you complete the program that you want, you can then save that program. Once you've saved it, you can go and select a different line if you wanted to. So you could highlight a particular line if you want to go back to that bend and do it over again, or just test that one bend. You can select any of the positions 1 through 15 by pressing the red dots over here. When you're ready to make this bend and everything is programmed correctly, you would go back to auto enter and hit this circle button over here, and it will highlight like that, and your back gauge will move into position. Now we would step on the pedal and make that bend. The bending clamp ram will come down on the first bend, and it will stop this height above the table for the first time as a safety feature. After that, it will continue to go. Now the back gauge has moved to the next position, and we can go ahead. After the bend is complete, the ram clamp will return back up to the top.